Right guys, welcome back to another vlog at Nkan's HQ 2025, first day back at work. So behind me we've just got this Defender 110 and you can see it's absolutely filthy at the moment. It's covered in salt, dust, water, rainwater, you name it. But this car is the ultimate car for this weather. So this customer's dropped it off this morning for a few little other modifications and he's going to be getting it fitted with a front light bar as well. So let's go outside and show you the current scenario and the situation here. If you look around me, it's absolutely flooded with snow and it's really bad snow actually. Probably the worst I've probably seen it in a long time. We've not had snow this bad in a very long time. Look how deep some of these marks are. Very icy, dangerous conditions, and that Defender had no problems with this weather. So at the moment, got a customer that's just phoned me up shortly a while ago and he said that I'm in Manchester at the moment and my car's stranded. I've gone through a pothole and I need a new tyre. It's an emergency and I really appreciate if you can get me a tyre. I'm going to send someone up and to collect a tyre. So the driver's currently over there and you can see we're fully snowed out at the moment. So we're going to try and get a tyre out of the container and hopefully get this sorted for Sean, who's currently stranded in Manchester at the moment. So let's see if we can locate this tyre for him. So it's a 24-inch alloy wheel and he needs a 275/30 24-inch tyre. Look how much snow there is, guys. I'm literally walking over here and you can't even see any footprints. That's how solidified the snow is right now. You can see there's no footprint marks, barely anything over here. That's how much snow there is in this specific region. Right, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're going right through. Now, if you're watching this, we're fully active, even in the snow, we're open, no rest for the wicked. Right, we've got another customer who's also needs another tyre and he's currently bringing that van in. So this will be interesting to see how we get on over here. He's come from Newcastle. Whoa! Right guys, so that is Sean's tyre that's just been collected by the driver. So he was stranded out in Manchester with his Range Rover Sport SVR and he needed a tyre desperately. So at the moment there's barely anyone here at work today where you can see the car park's empty. I've had to park down the bottom of the road because there's can't even get in here. That's how bad the snow is. He's loaded up and now we've got another customer from Newcastle and he's inside at the moment. So he's also got a set of 24-inch wheels that we customised on his Range Rover. I think it was last year, and now he's saying that he wants another set of alloy wheels for his Range Rover for like the winter months like this where it's bad snow and bad weather. So he's just going to downsize to some 22s or 23s. So he's just currently getting that sorted now and let's get him sorted and out of the way as well. Thank you, Paji. Okay, Paji. Careful, Jayo, Paji. It's very bad weather. Alright, guys, this will be the interesting part. I'm looking forward to this. Will the van make it out of this snow? Or is it just gonna spin out? Alright, guys, he's made it. So I don't think there's gonna be any more customers coming in today. So big 2025 and last year was a very good successful year filled with a lot of big car customization projects. We started off last year with Lee, who came down in his BMW 4 Series convertible. It was a black 4 Series. He came in the first week of January. He was doing some construction work in Bradford City Centre. He works for, I think, the council or the construction project, City of Culture 2025. And while he was here, he spotted Nkan's And he was like, while I'm here doing this construction project, I might as well get my car customised. So he had that customised. He was our first customer of 2024. Then after that, we've had quite a lot of projects actually. We've had loads last year. It's been a very, very good, successful year.
Watch out, people! Keep an eye for the car, man. Cairns is the place to be if you got to have the wagon.
Really nice, man. I was surprised I did.
I think they are the best in UK.
We can do. Wow.
Wow! MashaAllah.
That is mental.
Couldn't expect anything, but it is fantastic.
You're one of a kind, one off one. Bring it out here.
It's beyond my expectation.
Speechless.
Wait to see my carbon fiber kit, so you know.
Cars outside. Come on, Adrian. Come on, Riz.
Let's go.
Come on, Mr. Gonda.
Let's go check this out.
Fully carbon fibered.
You know, it had had some body work done before, and the repair work wasn't really to the mark.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like selling it now. I want to keep it.
I think you did a solid job,
I
man.
appreciate it. But credit to you there,
Yeah.
because Uncle needs to appreciate the endless phone calls.
Yeah,
How do you say I've done a sick job?
In Albanian, he said, just wow. You know? How you look? We're far ahead. We're far ahead.
Yeah?
Whoa, this is the same one?
It's the same one.
Unbelievable, man.
I'm very, very pleased with the outcome.
I have some expectation, but this is blow my mind.
It does look well, doesn't it?
It does.
It does look well.
It looks fantastic.
Cracking job again, guys. I'm over the moon. Can't thank Nav and his team enough. Obviously, better than before. So no, thanks again. Can't recommend these guys enough. A-class job again. Perfect.
Too busy cutting meat, you know, getting those money in for this.
Are you genuinely happy?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Be honest with me, I know you're a
No,
very...
I'm a tough man on you.
Yeah, it's really nice, really pleased, thank you.
No worries. Denby is from Cyprus, and he's purchased this Range Rover Vogue, and he's going to be getting it customised by ourselves.
You happy with it? Thank you very much, sir. That's what it's all about.
Thank you to every single customer that's come down to Ncar's HQ to get their car customised. We have customers from all over the country, Scotland, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Aberdeen. We have customers from all over up north. We also have a lot of clientele down south in London, Essex, Kent, Surrey, Bournemouth, Brighton, the Midlands, Birmingham, Wolverhampton, Nottingham, all over, Derby. Big shout out to every single customer that's had their car customised here at Ncar's HQ last year. And hopefully this year, more blessings, more successful big builds. Looking forward to this year. We're in January at the moment. We've got quite a few build slots lined up for some customers that are booked in at the moment, so looking forward to all them conversions. Yeah, if you'd like to get your car customised this year, if you're looking to buy a car this year or get one customised, give us a call and we can give you some advice and get that scheduled in for you, send you some customisation options that we can do for your Range Rover Sport, Vogue, Velar, Defender, G-Wagon, X5, quite a lot of body kits that we do. So yeah, if you've got a car that you'd like to get customised, give us a call and we can get that sorted for you as well. Big shout out to a lot of our international customers as well that have had body kits and wheels shipped out. If I remember correctly, Paul Ainsworth from Canada. Big shout out to Paul Ainsworth. He had a lot of parts shipped out to Canada, so he's got a Range Rover Sport SVR and he wanted a few Barexite body kit components. So I think, if I remember correctly, we shipped out some Dawn wheels, a bonnet scoop, Barexite centre grille, mid-level boot spoiler and a few other little bits and accessories. Very loyal customer. He watches all the YouTube videos. He's always commenting every week on all the vlogs. So I want to say a massive shout out and thank you to Paul Ainsworth from all your support from the other side of the world. He's always messaging us, asking us how things are going, keeping up to date with us here in the UK, always saying how's things going. When you come out to Canada, come down to where I live, I'll take you around Canada and stuff. I can't remember exactly where he lives, the battery's died, so I can't really go through our messages, but I think he messaged something like Allegri or something, I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but I'll have to check the messages. So yeah, shout out to Paul Ainsworth. Big thank you to him. Also Mohammed Nadat out in Orlando, Florida. So he lives out in America. We shipped out a Bison body kit and some alloy wheels to Florida. So the moment he's currently in the works of fitting that body kit and hopefully we can upload some pictures once it's all done. So looking forward to that project as well. We sent out the body kit last year and now the body kit and all the components are in Florida in the workshop. So he's in the process of fitting that body kit. So stay tuned for that as well. Also just want to say a big shout out and thank you to all the team here at Ncar's as well. All the lads in the workshop, Nav, Imran, everyone here, because without them, all the team here, this wouldn't be possible. So I just want to say a big shout out and thank you to all the team here as well at Ncar's. They all work endlessly behind the scenes, making sure everything's smooth sailing, everything's working. All the parts are here. Actually, look at that. You won't believe this. You won't actually believe this. Imran's rocked up to work in his Range Rover. I didn't think he was going to be coming in. What are you saying? No, that's not going to go in, I'm telling you. Will he get back out? Alright, come. You know what, he wants to come inside. Check out how much snow there is on the back of that. He's made it. Look how deep the snow is. That's a Range Rover Sport with 24-inch wheels on there. And you can't even see the bottom. That's how deep this snow is. It's not even scratched the top layer off yet. Alright guys, you know what, before we wrap this vlog up, I've just got the keys off Imran for this car. And I thought let's just start it up and get a little bit more content for you guys. You know what, the next project is to get some of that snow off his roof. So let's see if he's got anything like a shovel or something to take this snow off. Yeah, that's way too hard for me to take off manually. Actually, let's pop the boot. Wow. 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 You know what? I found a little a walking stick in his car. So let's see if we can push this off. Wow. Just for context, guys, it's that cold. Look at the exhaust tips. The engine's quite hot at the moment, and look at the smoke. Right guys, behind me we've got the Range Rover Sport, and you can see that the wheels have now been changed. So this Range Rover, believe it or not, is actually a runaround car here at Nkan's HQ. It's also a show car, but we use it a lot for the old wheels and the parts and stuff, and doing the runs in Bradford to pick up parts and stuff like that. It did have some 24-inch XL Barag's Eye wheels on there, but they weren't too practical for this weather because where Imran lives, the snow is really, really bad. It's bad over here, but it's worse there. So we thought, you know what, we've got some old wheels that we had in the back, and we've just fitted it back with the original factory wheels, and we've got some Pirelli Scorpion tyres on there as well. So that will allow the car to have some more traction and plough through the roads in this snow. The XL wheels are 24-inch and the tyres are quite thin, so it's not really suitable for this type of climate and this type of weather. And you can see over here we've got a Ford Ranger, a customer that's just come to pick up some parts and wheels, and they are much more better. The smaller wheels with the bigger tyres, it grips more and it's a lot more practical in this weather. Whereas the 24s are more normal driving conditions and they're aesthetically better, but they're not really practical for this type of climate. So fade it back with the original wheels, and he'll drive it around for the next couple of days, and hopefully when the snow clears we can put the XLs back on. Yeah guys, that's just a quick little vlog for you guys just to show you what's happening. So stay tuned for some bigger and better vlogs, and let's just quickly swing it around. Actually, let's see if he can get out. He's trying to, I think he's tried to clear a lot of the snow up, and he's trying again to get out of the snow. He's been stuck for over an hour now guys, and we tried to help him out. We got the shovel and try to clear all the snow out. So hopefully he can get on his way, but it's caused a lot of havoc, and you can see there's a lot of cars that are stuck in the middle of the road as well. Right guys, so we did try off camera trying to help the HGV driver get out of the snow, but we had no luck unfortunately. We were trying for a while, and it was just, the ice was just solidified and it was like rock solid, so we had no luck. Then we just headed back inside. We gave the driver a shovel, and he was cracking on with it himself. But after that there was a lot of other people that were coming, but walking past and driving by trying to help him, and they had no luck either. But now with the Bradford community spirit, everyone's worked together, and luckily it looks like he's almost there. Quite a lot of the lads, local lads, have worked together, community spirit, working together as a team, and now the driver is finally out of the snow and ice. So yes, all sorted.